welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last episode of this series. It's Designer, where I am creating 7 different makeup looks using, of course, this eyeshadow palette by MAC Cosmetics. It's Designer. This is why also the name of this series. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. And firstly, I will use some eye cream to prime my eyes, and I'm using the ESTEE LAUDER eye cream. And on my eyelids, I will be using this eyeshadow stick by MERCIER in Vanilla Kiss, and I will blend it with this concealer brush from Real Techniques. Now with a slightly bigger fluffy eyeshadow brush like this one from BH Cosmetics in the number 6, I will take the shade Triennial Wave and apply it all over my eyelid and buff it slightly up to my brow. Now with an angled brush like this one from Linda Hallberg in 333, I will take the black color and apply it close to my upper lashes. And now I'll just speed up the part where I'm doing my complexion, and I'll be right back. Now with a small brush, I will take the bright pink color and apply it here on the inner corner of my eyes. For mascara, I will be using this one by Maybelline and apply it on the upper and lower lashes. Now for the lips, I'll use first some lip balm, and I'm having this one by EOS, and I will be lining my lips with this lip pencil by L'Oreal in the number 630. And for lipstick, I will be using this one by Estee Lauder in Naked City. It is a beautiful nude color in the number 140. For blush, I will use the Maybelline Matte Blush in Mauve Intrigue in the number 40. And I will finish this look by using some highlighter like this one by Morphe in Spark, and I'll apply with my finger here on the highest point of my cheeks, a little bit here on my nose and on the cupid's bow. And this is the final result using this eyeshadow palette by MAC Cosmetics. It's a designer, and I have been creating this whole week for 7 days, 7 different makeup looks using only this eyeshadow palette. Let me know in the comments below which of these makeup looks is your favorite. And of course, if you like today's makeup look, all of the products that I have used in today's video I will be linking down below. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification. And I will see you next week with another makeup look. Bye!